Okay, baby. This is called washing cats like a boss. Ready? Go. Here we go. Daddy's gonna wash like a boss. By the way, 3 of them done been washed. Here goes the other 3. Nobody likes it to begin with, but they get used to it. The daddy, he's not taking no for an answer. He gets them wet first, and then he lathers them up real good with Dawn. And by the way, I'm seeing dead fleas. And this one, she's blowing. But they calm down once you start scrubbing them, I guess, because maybe they realize you're not eating them or something. And also you can sex them. So this little one right here is a boy, because now that I'm using soap, I can feel his little gonads. It's a baby. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. This is really not bad. You just gotta you gotta turn it into a military operation. 1, 2, 3, left, right, wash. Left, right, wash. Left, right, wash. Do I look happy? I give them a good rinse. And they're kind of dirty too. I give them a good rinse, and then I put them in the basket with a towel, and then I'm going to go heat up some towels, and I'll change the towels and put warm towels, put them on warm towels until they're dry. Hey, stop that hissing. Okay, hold still. Yeah, see, now they kind of get docile. Feel like I'm washing a little taco off here. Washing a little taco. Clean my gonads. Clean my gonads. Clean my head. Turn the head upside down for the head. They don't really like that too much. It's okay. Come here. That's why I just wipe their face off. Hey, hey. Hey. This one really doesn't like it. Okay, hold still. Hold still. You're okay. You're okay. Give me that little face. So I take them like this, and I put them in with the other ones into the crib of shame. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got one more. Hey, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. This is a little... Oh. This one's crying. This is going to be our little baby. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Daddy's got you. Daddy's got you. Daddy's got you. She's saying, Daddy. She's saying, Daddy. I don't like it, Daddy. This hurts me more than you, baby. This is going to be Daddy's little girl right here, so she's got to be clean good. Okay. Kill those fleas. Let Daddy wash. Hold still. Hold still. gonna be so clean. Okay. Whew. Let's rinse. Okay, let's rinse. Come on. Daddy get you. Daddy get you rinsed off. Daddy get you rinsed off. Okay. Good as new. Going into the cat kennel. You did good, baby. You did good, baby. One, two, three, four, five, six. Okay. Hey, babies.